All right, here's the current wheel and tire setup. We have the replica satin black Hellcat wheels, front and back. On the fronts, 9.5 by 20s with the Continental Extreme Contact Sport tires, 275 40/20. And the back, run a 10.5 by 20 replica Hellcat wheel with Mickey Thompson ET Street SS 305 35/20s. All right, so the time has come to make a change. So let's go ahead and get these wheels and tires off. Check out the new setup. All right, we're gonna take a look at the new wheel and tire setup. They're not new anymore. They've been on the car for 3 weeks now. So by the time I got finished putting the new wheels and tires on, it was dark outside, so you couldn't see them anyway. And the next day I had to get ready for a trip to Kansas for a little half-mile racing. And then when we got back from there, it was snowing here in Nebraska. And ever since then, it's been windy or rain, or we've had 2 or 3 nice days that I just didn't have time to do this. So I just got them. They're 3 weeks old now. They've been on the car, about 20 half-mile drag race passes. And I needed a little cleaning up, so I washed them off real quick, and let's take a look at them. There it is. We got 20 by 9.5 inch replica Demon wheels on the front with Continental Extreme Contact Sport tires. And these are 275 40/20. Continental Extreme Contact tires. This is my favorite tire to have on the car, in the front anyway. And they're great on the back if you want to take your car on a road course. So on the back, we have the 17 by 9.5 inch race stars with Mickey Thompson ET Street SS drag radial. These are the 305 45/17s. Now these tires are going to be these tires on the back be used for half-mile racing, roll racing, and just driving around on the street every day. Street racing. I have a little different combo for the drag strip, because these, I had the SS's on before. They were the shorter wall tire, but they're no good at the drag strip, so we're gonna have a little different setup on the back for that. And that would be these, the same wheels that are on the car right now. The 17 by 9.5 gloss black race stars. And another set of Mickey Thompsons, but these are the R series 305 45/17s. These will be strictly for the drag strip, and they're nice and spongy. Gotta get that traction. So that's the new setup. I'm liking the look on the back. It looks a little more menacing. tires. I also did the Mopar caps on the valve stems and the B5 Blue SRT caps on the front wheels.